Hello my little friend. Welcome to today's first video on game development. If you're interested in entering the game development industry, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be discussing some important things you should know before starting your game development journey. Game development is a massive industry with many directions, and it's essential to know what you want to achieve. Before starting, you need to choose a game engine. You can ask me why I need the game engine. I want to write the game from scratch. Sure, you can. But using a game engine can save you a lot of time and effort compared to creating a game from scratch. Game engines provide a set of tools and features that make it easier to create different types of games, such as 2D or 3D games. A game engine provides pre-built features such as physics engines, animation tools, and user interface elements. You can focus on designing and creating game assets, such as levels, characters, and environments, instead of writing low-level code from scratch. Most game engines support multiple platforms such as PC, mobile, and consoles, which makes it easier to port your game to different platforms. Game engines have a large community of developers who share resources and provide support. You can find online tutorials, forums, and other resources that can help you learn how to use the game engine and troubleshoot any issues you may face during development. Creating a game from scratch can be a daunting task, especially if you're new to game development. Writing code for low-level tasks such as graphics rendering, physics simulation, and input handling can be time-consuming and complex. Now that you know why you need a game engine, let's look at the most popular game engines. There are three main game engines in the market, namely Godot, Unreal Engine, and Unity. Each of these game engines has its pros and cons, and it's essential to choose the one that best suits your needs. I chose Unity. It is some middle between Godot and Unreal Engine. It has a free version, good graphics, good performance, a big community, many assets, cross-platforms, and many other interesting things. For me personally, Godot is for indie 2D game platformers, but recently I saw a beautiful 3D scene on this engine. This industry improves really fast. Unreal Engine is for super action games 3A size like Battlefield and Call of Duty. Of course, you can doubt, maybe you have enough knowledge or you don't know programming at all. I want you to calm down. Lack of knowledge in developing games should not be a problem today. Many resources are available online to help you learn game development, such as this channel, online courses, and game development forums. I have no idea why you want to build a game, but I want to believe because you like it. Definitely, you can also make money from game development by creating and selling your games on different platforms such as Steam, Google Play, and App Store. Finally, if you want to publish your game on consoles like PS4, PS5, or Xbox, you need to consider the restrictions that come with these platforms. Each platform has its guidelines, and you need to ensure that your game meets these guidelines before submitting it for publishing. In conclusion, game development is an exciting industry, but it's essential to understand the basics before starting your journey. I hope this video has provided you with some useful information that will help you in your game development journey. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.